Hello friends, welcome back to CP Tutorials. So today we are discussing educational code forces round 134, that is div 2 round. So in this video we will be discussing problem C, which is min-max problem. So sorry for the camera. Yeah. So in this problem, like before moving to problem, I would like to move to a sponsorship part. So this video is sponsored by Newton School, whose link is given in the description box. So you can look at that. So I hope that my audio is better in this video than previous video. So now I will share my screen. So hope that my screen is visible. So this is problem C, the excellent problem on. Uh, so this is excellent problem on two pointer, right? So what we'll be using two pointer concept. So if you don't know two pointers, you will get learning in this video. So now what are given? You will be given, or we are given n size array a1, a2, a3 up to an, and another array b1, b2, b3 up to bn. What is operation given? So we had initially a array and we took some random d1, d2, d3, dn array, and what we did addition a1 plus d1, a2 plus d2, a3 plus d3, this type of addition, an plus dn, right? So this became our b1, b2, b3, this is bn, and after that it is given that a1 is in non-decreasing, a is in non-decreasing order and b is in non-decreasing order, right? So after we got b, we sorted it to make it non-decreasing, right? So I would like to explain this problem with help of an example. So let's consider 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, or first discuss given example, then I will come back to this. So let's say our first example is 235, 235 and 7, 11, 13, right? So let's say our B array, A array was 235, but what can be our B array? B array can be 7, 11, 13 without sorting. Let's say AI, I am writing AI plus DI array. So what can be possible cases? 11, 7, 13, 13, 11, 7, 13, 7, 11, 11, 13, 7 and 7, 13, 11. 7, 13, 11. How am I getting this? I wrote all the permutation of 7, 11 and 13. So in this case, what can be our D? D can be our 5, then 8 and 8. Now in this case, what can be our D? 9, 4 and 8. Then again 11, 8, 2, 11, 4, 6, 9, 10 and 2, 5, 10 and 6, right? So what is maximum value of all this? So you can see maximum and minimum. Here minimum is 5, maximum is 11. Here minimum is 4 and maximum is, I guess, 10. And here minimum is 2 and maximum is 8, right? You can see that. So this is our final answer. Now I will try. Okay, let's discuss one more example. So let's discuss 1, 2, 3, 4. and 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So what is our d? D must be greater than equal to 0, di. So there is only one option. Here we have all the 4 permutation or 4 factorial permutation, sorry. So here let's consider 4, 3, 2, 1. So can we make 4 into 1? No. Can we make 3 into 2? No. So this isn't valid. So only valid operation is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is ai, bi and all di are 0. Now move to one more example. 10, 20, 30, 40, 22, 33, 33 and 55. Can we make 40 into 55 by adding something? Yes, we can. We will add plus 15, then we will get 55. Can we make 40 into 33? No. So there is only one option for 40. 55 is the only option, right? So this is done. Now for this 30, can we make this as 33? Yes. This as 33? Yes. 55? No, because 40 has already taken, right? So this 30, can we convert it to 22? No. So here it is no. So we can convert 30 to 33. So now this is 10, 20 and 22, 33. Can we convert this 20 into 33 by adding 13? Right? Can we make this 20 to 22? Yes, by adding 2. Right? So let's say that this is my some value. Let's say v. Right? And we can take, it is given, this is in array A and this is array B. Let's say there are values, let's say consider it as 5. There is 8, 13, 20 and 24, right? So can we make 5? If we are considering 5, and we can make it up to this by adding something, let's say, then let's say after 5, like before 5 we have 2 in A. So can we make 2 as this value? Yes, surely, because 5, these elements are greater than 5, then this element must be greater than 2 itself, right? So we can make it 2 as 2 also as, so let's say there is some value v. So if we are making v as this value, then this value at let's say this is x. So we can surely make x as this value. But can we, let's say x is 4 and here it is 4 itself. So 5 can be made 8, 13, 20, 24. But this x, like 2 can be made 4 as well. So it can move in, right, in left direction. So I am giving intuition of 2 pointers, how I am going to use it, right? So it is given that, let's say this value can be made this value, then this value can be made this value, and there can be left side. Now this was observation first, like we will have to look on left side. Observation 2 is every element, let's say a1 or let's say 5 can be only made greater than equal to 5, 6, sorry, greater than equal to 5. If you are getting smaller element, we cannot make 5 to 4, like we cannot make bigger number as smaller number. So what I am going to do now, so let's say we have some array 10, 20, 30, 40. So now what I will do, I will move from this side, and there is 22, 33, 33 and 55. So we will move from this side and we will check that 40, we can make 40 up to, can we make on this side? we will move this on this. Let's say we are fixing 40, then we will check that either we can make it as 55, 33, 33, 22 or not. So 40 we can only make as 55, right? So number greater than 40 in B array is 55 only. So 40 we have got 55. Now for 30, what are the number? 33, 33 and 55. Now for 20, what are the number? We can get 22, 33, 33, 55. And for 10, we will get 22, 33, 33 and 55. Right. So you can see that we have only one option for 40. Right. So 40 will take 55. Now can 30 take 55? No, because 40 had already taken, right? Can 30 take 55? No. So 30 is left with two options, 33, 33. So what 30 can do? 30 can take any one of these two, right? So 55 is done, 33 is done. Now what 20 can take? 20 can take any of these two, 22 or 33. So let's say 20 take in one case 22. In next case 20 takes 33. So in this case what 10 will take? 10 will take 33 and here 10 will take 22, right? So let's say we have another array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and we have, let's say 22, 25, 70, 80, 90, right? So consider this as our example. This will deduce our final observation. So 50 can be made 90, 50 can be made 80, 50 can be made 70. These three 50 can be made, right? So 50 can take 70, 80, 90. 40 will take, 40 can take any of these three, 70, 80, 90. 30 can take any of these three, right? Now these three elements will get either any permutation of these three numbers, right? So let's say its width is P and it another B. So these three elements 30, 40, 50. Sorry for the train. So I am talking that let's say this width is 30, 40, 50, its width is 3 and 70, 80, 90, this width is 3, right? So let's say its width is P and this width is P, right? So if we get 2 P width, right, then let's say this number 30, 40, 50, 30 will take any of these three, 40 will take any of these three, 50 will take any of these three, but 20, let's consider that this 20. So can 20 take any of these three? No, because 30, 40, 50 will take these three, right? So we started traversing on this side. So let's say we found that we started with 50. So 50 can take 90, 80 or 70. So what is maximum value? 40 and for 50 minimum value is 20, right? Now we reach 40. 40 can also take 3 number. But these 3 number, 50 can take any of these 3 number, corresponding to that 40 will take remaining of this number. So let's say 50 takes 70, then 40 can take 80. But let's say 50 take 90, then 40 can take 70. So again for 40, minimum value can be 30 and maximum can be 50, right? Now we will reach 30. Again 30 can take 70, 80, 90 anything. So minimum value is 40 and maximum value is 60. But now these three elements in between, we can see that there are 3 elements and we can mark in any order, right? So these 3 elements, this will share these 3 elements, 30, 40, 50 will take 70, 80, 90. Now if I, let's say if I will become j equal to j, then we will have to clear this, like these three will be taken, right? So let's say now we'll move to 20. Then what 20 can take? 20 to 25, right? These two it can take. So if 20 take 25, then 10 take 22. Then if 10 take 25, 22, then 20 take 25. So in this way, in any of this order, these two will be inclined. So we are seeing that there is array is divided into some part, right? And corresponding to that side, let's say there are 4 elements. There is 4 element. Then there is 3 element. There is 3 element. There is 2 element. 2 element. Let's consider there is 1 element and 1 element. Rightly so. So we are getting that this element can have taken up to this element, right? This element can have taken up to this element. So up to that, we can say that in any of this order, in any order, this 4 element can take any permutation of this 4 element, but we cannot take this element or this element, right? Because 1 element is already taken, then 4 element can be taken, then 3 element can be taken, then 2 element. So I will move to our code. So sorry for the delay. So now what I am doing, I took input AI and BI. Now what I am doing, I am finding that how many element AI can take. So let's say this is the element. So this can take up to any of these 4. So let's say it can take up to any of these 4. So what I did, I am keeping a vector and I am adding in this, that what are the element it can take from B, right? V dot pushback B. What I have done here, this is the thing. Now for each I, what I will calculate its minimum and maximum, and when j is equal to I, like let's say that we have got this element. Let's say there are 2 elements and these 2 elements. So this 2 element can take any permutation. Then what I will do, I will clear our vector, right? And correspondingly we will print minimum and maximum, right? So again I would like to explain, like there was, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here it was 60, 70, 80 and 25, 22. As we can clearly see that these three element, so these 3 element can be in any order and these 2 element can be in any order. So let's say 50, 40, 30 and 10, 20. Consider this again, and there is 80 and 70 and there is 35 and then there is 25, 22. Now this 50 can take 80 and 70, right? And this 40 can take 80 and 70. Then these two in itself, they will take any permutation, right? Now 30 will take, 30 has only one option, 35, right? Because 50 has 2 options and 40 had 2 options, these 2 options. So they can make a permutation and can take. Now again 30 has one option. Again here you can see 20 has 2 options and 10 will again have 2 options, right? So whenever I equal to j, right, then we are partitioning it. So that's why I took when I equal to j, then these things are done, these values are done. So I am clearing it and again starting pushing it. So hope that this solution is clear to you. So Thank you very much for watching the video. See you next video. Bye bye.